So quick like summary of this kit. It's about as easy as it can get to install. Obviously like multi mounting holes there fit in like the number plate, so it sits above like a number plate, solar powered, can last up to like a year, depending. Obviously it needs like sun, you can't DC charge when you like need to, so you'd have to obviously unscrew it, or you'd have to get the DC charge to here somehow. So however you manage to do that, but great distance, so be like a perfect for equipment or vans or anything, or cars, anything you want a real easy reverse camera on. I will do a caravan test too, so we can actually test the proper range as well on a caravan. We did do it before and it was pretty decent, up to 25 meters and through a few cars, so it does give you a bit of an idea. And obviously this screen comes on and then times out, turn it back on, you push that. Obviously pretty straightforward, like a suction mount, clips onto the windscreen like that, mounts to the back of the screen on a swivel mount. So super easy reverse camera setup for whatever you need.